let you hold some, let you get a handful, baby. She's a whole lot of woman. Soft kisses on some fat lips.
Looking at you, got my eyes wide, damn, damn, damn. Looking at you, got my eyes wide, damn. So out of this world like sci-fi. I am the one that got loud advance. Who you becoming, well that depends. Jump in the air, I perfect my stance. Jump to the floor, I just wanna dance.
Hey besties, it's your girl Kelly Ny'Ree, and we are back with another video. As y'all can tell by the caption and the thumbnail, of course we're going to be doing some hygiene shopping. I'm at this grand opening at Ross that's like probably like 10 to 15 minutes away from my house. So excited that they have this now because I'm going to be coming here a lot more. You already know what the deal is. Listen, I'll be doing giveaways, I'll be doing hauls, I'll be doing skincare, I'll be doing all type of stuff. If you want to tap in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss another video from me and you can become a bestie. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it.
Cash out on a video. Cash out to see the rodeo. Put on a show and make it nasty. There's a eagle in the backseat. Everything bigger and sexy. Everybody bust it open, feed you breakfast. Catch me in the bathroom on the same time. Baby, let me sink into your arms.
See if they got a lot of skincare stuff in here. I don't really see it, but they do got this curl a la custard that I was looking for my daughter hair. I love using this. This is so good. I showed y'all this in Target, and this is really good for curls and for them to look super hydrated. It's really defining. I really love using this. I do have their elongating curling gel, but it's good for length and stuff, but I really like that, and something that I need to continue to have and to use. Another thing that I need to get, y'all, is one of these loofahs. I have one at home, but I need a whole nother one. This is 2 in a pack. I feel like they're the same, but I like the purple, so I think I'm gonna end up getting this one. Let me see, y'all. This one is $4 for 2 of these. They're like $2.99 at Target a piece. So usually they have like the Dr. Bronner soap over here, and I don't see that they have any. They got my moisture boost over there. That's so good. Absolutely love this. Oh my gosh. And I love the fact that Ross still carries these, but I really like this one. Has moringa, but the other one has squalene in it, the new one, and I think I like that one better now, but I don't know. They have this hemp almond. I don't really want that kind. I really need to get, I don't want the other one. It's so sad that they don't have it. Damn. What is this? Squeeze a day, citrusy, cool energy. I don't really like that smell. They actually stink. I'm not with it. I'm not with it. I'm probably gonna have to go to TJ Maxx because that's where they have it at. And see, they have another one of these little ones. I wouldn't mind if I found at least just a little one. Like, I need something for right now, and I really don't feel like going to TJ Maxx today. And I'm late here, like coming. Yeah, I think TJ Maxx actually closed at like I think it closed at 9. So even if I was to try to leave here and try to get there, I'm not, it's just not gonna happen. I'm gonna just try to do that another time, another day. But anyways, Heal Buff Exfoliating Foot Scrub. This has shea butter and apricot in here. I wonder what it smells like. You probably ain't gonna be able to smell it. I feel like this one has like a metallic thing over it. It don't. That stinks, actually. I don't like that smell. And it's $3.99. I mean, I feel like it'll do what it's supposed to do just because of how it is, but I'm just not feeling it. You know, they came in here and showed out. Oh, this is the Vanilla and Tuberose a skin blurring shimmering body lotion, and this is $4.99 here, y'all. I feel like this is like, of course, the travel size, but I can't see what it smells like. But I think I remember smelling this and I thought it was okay. I feel like it did smell good. And then they have this. Oh, look, they got some Tree Hut, or not Tree Hut, what? They got Truly. This boob polish. I wonder what this smells like, because yeah, I don't know, and I don't remember. And somebody scooped this shit. That's nasty. Well, Let me see. They have this body oil. It's like it's called Coconut Dream. I feel like I would like this. I like coconut scents. No, that's just too nutty. You know what? Lately, I've been looking for like scents that are like more sweet in a way, but not too sweet. Still giving ground for like a sweet scent. And I haven't been able to find it. Dash. Oh, look, there's a juicy watermelon. But this is a foaming hand wash. That ain't what I want. They got this shea butter and brown sugar here for my girls that like caress. This one is $7.49 though. Oh, they got this smells really good too. This crushed almond and mango butter. And this is $6. I really like this scent. This is probably one of my favorite ones. And the crushed macadamia. That one smells really, really good. I got this at home too. I feel like I was supposed to do, and I might still do it. It's just like my setup at home has been so different from what it was before. So like I don't feel very confident like creating my videos that I want to create at home. But I'm still gonna do it for y'all. I'm gonna just try to make it look cute, like, you know. But I really just want to make sure that I show y'all my tree cut collection, like my scrub collection. I feel like one of my besties actually did comment, and she was like, you need to start like showing us your collections of stuff. And I haven't really done that, so I'm gonna start, and hopefully I can record that this weekend. But anywho, I'm looking down here, and what is this? This is a face wash, but it has turmeric and something else in here. I don't know how I feel about it, and I don't like trying brand new stuff like this that's not like, I don't know this brand. But this is $4, and turmeric actually helps to brighten your skin. But this is the gel I was telling y'all about that I use for my my hair, my daughter's hair, to keep the curls like still long without shrinking up and stuff. It's so cute that they have the little ones here though. This one is $3.99. This is the gentle foam cleanser. Look, they got the gentle foam cleanser for $7.99 here. What is this? Empty airless pump bottle. Oh wow, this is good for traveling. How much is this? It's $4. Then they got some razors here for $4. And then they got this one, Bic. I used to like Bic a lot, but me and Five Blades been getting along because it go really, really fast. The whole process be going real fast. I've been wanting to try this, but then not really. I feel like this would irritate my dry and sensitive skin, that part. So, I don't know. Look at these little razors. What the heck? Like, look how little they are. But they're like mini blades, and it's good for like your bikini line area. But this one is $4.99. Look how little this is. I feel like it's good to get in those type of areas. But y'all look at the little. Okay. And then what they doing in here? This one is $4.99, and then they got flamingo here. I feel like they're starting to have these in all of the Rosses, but this is my second Ross. But I seen flamingo in TJ Maxx and Burlington, and I like flamingo. Flamingo is a really good brand for razors, and this one is only $10 here. I think it's like, I can't remember how much it is at Target, but I'm pretty sure that it's more expensive. Yo, I wish that I found the Dr. Bronner's. But anyways, they got some toothbrushes here, and it's 6 in here for $5. And then they have these brushes with like the case over it, and I really, really like this. Because this right here is super important. I don't care if you traveling or not. Like, having this, especially if you have your toothbrush in the bathroom, girl, you better have something over that toothbrush. But y'all seen the price on here. I haven't found nothing else that I would want to get. Oh, this one is like electric toothbrush. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna be a fast video because they don't got nothing in here. Oh, look though. They got some immunity. Sleep elderberry has melatonin, zinc, and vitamin C in here. They got probiotics. Hair, skin, and nail gummies. I got fish oil. Fish oil is really, really good for cholesterol and stuff too. But the one that I found that really, really works is for cholesterol is cod liver oil. And I was taking that for a minute and then I had stopped. That's probably the reason why I got sick, because I just let the situation go rampant, out of control. But I really didn't think it was like a big problem until it became like a big problem. Oh, this is the finishing spray. Is this like a holding spray? Y'all know I love some Biosilk. Oh. Yeah, it is. It's like, y'all remember like spritz, but it's probably just not as strong. Probably not as strong. Oh my goodness. I want to cough so bad. That's why I need to get out the store. Because I haven't been feeling good. I haven't been feeling good at all. Oh, look at this. And it's got a nightlight. That's crazy. And it's only $8. What? Is this the same thing? Wow. How much is this one? Probably $8 too. Yeah, $8. What? They be having some stuff. First of all, they not only have like cute like self-care stuff, they really have oh look, lavender. I wonder what this smell like. I know what this smell like. This shea butter and vanilla. This is my baby right here. How much they charging for this? It's $7.49, $23. I don't know. I gotta check on the ounces because I feel like that's too much. They charge $6.99 at Target. For real, for real. I got some of this at home. I just used this last night. My skin was feeling so smooth. This is conditioner. But y'all know they got body wash, like the coconut miracle oil body wash. It smells really, really good. Let me see. Yeah, it's pretty much the same stuff. Yeah, they came over here and like, y'all know, if y'all know me, y'all know I do not like peony or rose scents, especially not together, girl. Oh, look, y'all, they got the watermelon bath soap. And it's $5.99. And it's usually like, I think $8.99. That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't need it though. I'm so like, oh my god. That noise is crazy. Actually, this right here looks good. What is this? It's a peach body scrub with peony. Y'all know, no. But this one is a tangerine and vitamin C. This one is peach. What's this one? That one's peach too. They look like they got this honey and turmeric body wash. Honey claims irritation and deeply. Oh, this is nice. And it's a vanilla and honey scent. I wonder how much is it?
Excuse me.
$7.
You on YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
That's what's up. What's your page?
Oh, hold on. Let me get my phone. I gotta turn this off. Okay, y'all. So I am done. I kind of want to see what this one is hitting for though. This honey and turmeric. I might buy it. I don't know. We gonna see. And then let's see. Where was the other one at that I was looking at, y'all? Oh, it was this one, the peach one, and then the tangerine. I might be sweaty though, because it might not have it to where I can smell it. I don't know. I'm gonna see. But this might be the last thing that I do in here because they don't have Dr. Bronner's. So I'm gonna head up out of here. This is the first one I was trying to see if I like. That smells good actually. It doesn't smell bad, but it's like a body wash or a body gel, not a body wash. Not like the creamy like Dove body wash. That's what I want, but they don't have it. And then here's the other one, which is the peach scrub by Eco Arbor. We don't see it. We don't see it. No. And somebody kind of opened it. I didn't do that, so Don't blame that on me. But yeah, y'all, they really don't have too much in here because the grand opening was like, I think it was last weekend or something like that. I think it was last weekend. Oh, they got this mini beauty fridge. I wish I had room, but I don't, and it's $40. I cannot wait to move, for real. Then they have another one right here with Bliss, and this one is $34.99. I feel like when you see stuff like this online, it's always like so much freaking money. Just like with crimps and stuff for your hair, like doing stuff like that. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. It's time for your girl to go. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.